Vertical Aerospace released its first half-year 2025 operating update, showcasing significant progress in piloted flight tests and supply chain maturity. The company entered into a new long-term partnership with Ascencore Aerostructures to produce the entire airframe for its VX4 aircraft. This partnership leverages Ascencore's nearly 50 years of experience in commercial aircraft programs, including designing and manufacturing major airframe components for Airbus, Boeing, and Embraer. It's meant to ensure the VX4's airframe is built efficiently, reliably, and at scale, aligning with Vertical's Flight Path 2030 plan. This plan focuses on certification and production, with long-range parts purchasing being a key element. The VX4 prototype has achieved several milestones, including the first-ever piloted wing-borne flight of a winged EVTL in European open airspace, and multiple wing-borne flight tests undertaken by 2 test pilots, as well as successful completion of its first airport-to-airport flight, flying 17 miles from Cotswold Airport to RAF Fairford. This milestone showcases the aircraft's integration with real-world airport operations and builds momentum towards certified deployment. The company is set to complete piloted transition flight, the final stage of its flight test program, in the second half of 2025. Additionally, Vertical has partnered with Bristow to deliver full-service, ready-to-fly EVTOL operations for VX4 customers, further deepening its commercial readiness. Vertical Aerospace is also working on a hybrid electric variant of the VX4, which is expected to have a range of up to 1,000 miles and payload capacity of 1,100 kilograms, making it suitable for defense, logistics, and emergency medical services. The plan is to commence flight testing for the hybrid electric variant in Q2 2026 and target certification by 2028. For the leadership team, new appointments bring deep aerospace and certification experience. Lord Andrew Parker, formerly Director General of MI5, and Lord Chamberlain, Head of Royal Household, have joined the board, enhancing the company's leadership in defense, national security, and government affairs. Mark Higson has been appointed Chief Operating Officer, and Steve Vellacott has joined as VP of Airworthiness and Head of Design Organization, bringing decades of operational, engineering, and certification expertise. Financially, Vertical Aerospace maintains industry-leading capital efficiency and has approximately $137 million in cash and cash equivalents following a successful fundraise of $69 million in July, which is why the cash runway is expected to extend towards the middle of 2026. Vertical anticipates net operating cash outflows of $110 million to $125 million for the full year 2025 and expects net cash outflows from operating activities of approximately $142 million over the next 12 months. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.